If your apps keep crashing, Instagram closes by itself, TikTok freezes, your banking app refuses to open, this video will save you. Let's fix it properly. App crashes are very common after updates, low storage, or corrupted files. And in 2025, because of heavy app sizes, many phones suffer. Let's go step by step. Tip 1. Restart your phone, the quick reset. It sounds simple, but it clears temp files and memory leaks that cause crashes. Restart first before doing anything else. Tip 2. Update the app. Most app crashes are caused by the app developer, not you. Instagram, TikTok, and banking apps fix bugs through updates. Tip 3. Check your storage. If your storage is below 1 GB, your phone will misbehave. Clear WhatsApp media, Telegram downloads, duplicate videos, cache from browsers. Give the phone breathing space. Tip 4. Clear app cache, Android. Settings apps, select app storage clear cache. This does not delete your data. It only removes temporary files. Tip 5. Reinstall the app. If the app itself is corrupted, reinstalling will fix it instantly. Tip 6. Update system software. If the system has bugs, modern apps won't run well. Update your iOS or Android version. Tip 7. Check for malware, very common in Nigeria. If you downloaded apps from unknown websites, your phone may have malware affecting other apps. If your apps still crash after all these steps, come to Bemi Gadgets. We fix corrupted systems, update phones properly, remove malware, and restore phone performance.